Thinking about filing for divorce in Georgia, but the idea of going to court, fighting with your spouse, or spending tens of thousands of dollars makes your stomach drop? The truth is, most couples don't need a courtroom battle. And in Georgia, if you can agree on the key issues, you can finalize your divorce quickly, affordably, and with far less stress than you might think. This video is for anyone in Georgia who wants a clean, efficient divorce process, whether you've been married 2 years or 20. If you and your spouse can communicate enough to reach an agreement, even if things feel tense, an uncontested divorce may be the best path forward. Uncontested divorce doesn't mean you agree on everything today. It means you can agree. And in Georgia, that means settling 4 areas: how you divide your assets and debts, whether alimony is involved, and if you have children, your parenting plan and child support. Once those pieces are in place, there's nothing for a judge to decide, which is why the process becomes faster, calmer, and dramatically cheaper. Georgia has a mandatory 31-day waiting period after filing. Most uncontested divorce is finalized within 31 to 60 days, depending on how quickly documents are signed and how fast your county processes filings. And here's the best part. In most Georgia counties, you never need to step foot in a courtroom. Your attorney files everything for you, and the judge signs your final decree without you having to be present. A contested divorce in Georgia often costs $30,000 or more. That's not an exaggeration. That's the reality of litigation. An uncontested divorce, on the other hand, is a fraction of that cost. At our firm, it's a simple flat fee, $29.50 with no kids or $39.50 with kids, with no hourly billing and no surprise invoices. You get real legal guidance, customized drafting of your agreement, and a predictable process from start to finish. We start with a consultation to understand your goals. Then we draft every document you need: your settlement agreement, parenting plan, child support forms, everything. Once you're happy with the draft, you and your spouse sign electronically. We file it with the court, the judge reviews it, and about 1 to 2 months later, you're divorced. No hearings, no conflict, just clarity. If you're ready to move forward with a Georgia divorce that's fast, predictable, and as stress-free as possible, schedule your consultation today. We'll walk you through your options, help you avoid unnecessary conflict, and guide you toward a resolution that protects your future without the courtroom battle.